Good morning. We're about to head outside. The wind chill is supposed to be between -30 and -50 Fahrenheit. And it's supposed to be far into the negatives, just regular temperature wise.
Car already says that it's 15 below, so.
And we didn't even start moving.
No.
Up, off we go, braving the cold to get some breakfast.
Cable car, see?
Oh, it goes across.
It looks like it goes down. Oh, so there's two entrances. Or no, wait.
I know,
No,
I want to
we're-
go across the waterfall and go...
Where are we? Are we here?
We're here.
Oh, yeah. Oh, so there's another parking entrance over here.
Windy.
Should I grab my backpack?
I don't know if you want to bring like camera and stuff. Or do you want to just grab your bottom?
Well, where am I going to put the tripod? I'll grab it.
It'll keep you warmer. Alright, we're heading down to over that waterfall and down those stairs.
Excuse me. I don't like sneezing in this.
Zip line that they have over here across the waterfall. Looks kind of closed right now, but that'd be pretty cool. Most of the top of the waterfall is frozen, except for a couple spots where the water's coming through. So, we made it to the other side. Disappointing thing is that the stairs are closed, which I suppose, you know, they kind of look dangerous.
We gotta put our biker spikes on and go down there.
But yeah, there's people that are actually down there, all the way at the edge, and they can't make it up. And the cold's not that bad, but that wind, ooh. Yeah. I warmed up. I'm sweating. My thermometer says it's -14 Fahrenheit.
Something's wrong if you're sweating.
I produced a lot of heat.
We got 3 jackets on today. I'm sweating.
I'm sweating.
It's a little mossy.
Okay, don't take a sip. We're trying to get to a waterfall over there, and there's a nice trail that we just walked down, and you get to the end of it and it's closed. And there's all these people that are walking down the railroad tracks to get here. Because this seems so much safer. How many people trespassing out here right now?
Show these people how to do it.
Oh yeah. They're all falling all over the place. They did not bring proper foot attire. That's the staircase that we couldn't go down because it was closed. Wow.
Screw off the thing and made that through walls. That's
Kind of
amazing.
insane. A bunch of them. They're huge. They're not even attached to the post anymore.
No, they're too long. Ready?
I can see a little bit of water up top.
Uh-oh.
Ah! Present camera! Didn't feel good, huh?
I got snow up my ass.
It's windy. All these rocks are just falling up. Whoa, pelleting me now. Ah, that's cool. It's just pouring down. I just got whacked.
There he goes. Oh, on skis.
Backwards.
Ready?
Switch.
Alright, I didn't see it. There's a railing in my way. This is a traffic hazard. You're standing at a light and then it turns and one person's paying attention, the other person isn't. I'm starving. We appeared to have missed lunch while we went to the waterfall. It's already 3 o'clock in the afternoon and I haven't had any beer and I haven't had any food.
We are not living up to our name. We usually beer
like, seriously. But waterfall was pretty cool. It's still below 0 Fahrenheit.
2.
Yeah, -2. We've made improvements.
15.
We found some beer,
I went with the healthy option today.
some yummy looking food. That's the healthy option?
Yeah, good
Is
salad.
there sprouts on top?
Yeah, salad.
I have traditional fries and a nice yummy looking burger.
This is my 3rd poutine.
Yeah, that's all he keeps eating every day. All the bars, all the breweries.
I think this is the last one, yeah.
This is the last brewery in Quebec.
It's been that cold that we found all the breweries in Quebec. How many of you had the drink? Yeah, that's much better. Oh, you're cut off. The hell are you doing? Do it! Oh boy.
For bed and breakfast. I have never seen a bed this big. It's bigger than a king.
You know what it is? It's 2 doubles, I bet. I think it's 2 doubles put together. That's how a lot of people do. Jeez. Look at these windows. You want the there would be a view had there not been massive ice, but look at this.
Yeah.
I think this thing's been around for a while.
Interesting.